And your vegetables look limp.
What do you mean my vegetables are limp? They're gonna be firm and tight like my body.
Singapore is one of the best places in the world to eat out. It's a food lover's paradise. But that doesn't mean it can't become even better. We're 4 chefs on a mission to create food that's great on taste and just as good for your body.
My biryani rice is gilas.
Oh, that's gonna burn.
Taking over kitchens to make classic Singapore dishes healthier.
Everybody do set face.
It's a kitchen invasion.
May the siu tai froth be with you.
Ming, I love Jalan Besar. It's a great heritage area.
You like it? Okay, I'm very glad because I come here for the little hardware stores. I also come here for the great food. They serve some of Singapore's local favorite dishes. All right, we're gonna go over there, we're gonna surprise them, and figure out what we can do in the kitchen, okay?
Okay, cool. Let's do
Let's
it.
go. Hello.
Hi.
My name is Chef Ming.
I'm Chef Shen.
Your name is?
Thomas.
Very nice to meet you, Thomas. We want to invade your kitchen. Okay? Yeah, we want to come in and start cooking.
Now?
Yeah, right now.
I doubt. So why you choose my restaurant?
Because this place is quite known for its heritage local dishes.
And you're actually coming to challenge my chef?
No.
Don't say challenge. We're here on a mission.
What we're going to do is recreate a dish of yours, but a healthier version while retaining the essence of the dish.
Okay. Char Kway Teow.
Okay, so we need you to prepare a version of that, and then we're going to try that, and then we get started in your kitchen.
You do.
This looks fantastic. Tell us more about the significance of this space.
This is actually a conservation building and under heritage. So what you can see now is more on very Singapore streets and local.
Heritage food also,
Yes. Then it's actually more towards now fusions that you have mixed with seafoods.
I really love the smokiness that's coming through. That's big wok hei flavor.
Every bite is satisfying on so many levels.
Definitely we need some help with the ingredients, right?
I know exactly who to call.
Okay, let's call.
Her bag of tricks.
Yep.
Victoria.
Nice to meet you, Thomas. I'm Victoria.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Victoria.
Okay, so let's see what I can do.
What do you have for us today?
Cabbage is loaded with minerals. It's got vitamin C, it's got potassium, it's got folate, it's got fiber. It also has a lot of vitamin K. Do you know what this is?
Tempeh!
Yes! So, tempeh is a great source of protein. It is fermented soybeans, often found in Indonesian cuisine. We also have bean sprouts. Bean sprouts are great. It's low in calories. It's got fiber. You can add it to your stir fry and easily get your 2 servings of vegetables per day. These are just some ideas to get you guys started.
Right, we've got our ingredients. I've got my direction.
I do.
May we enter your kitchen, Thomas?
Come.
Let's go.
All right, it is time to cook. Chef, remember what the stakes are? The dish needs to be healthier, but still retain the yumminess. And the winner gets the golden spoon.
Good luck to you both, chef.
Thank you very much,
thank
Thomas. We're off to it. Let's go.
Go.
I'm going to be making a sort of almost a bibimbap style noodle dish. Sometimes I think Char Kway Teow can be a little bit heavy on the carbs. I want to increase the vegetable content of that. I'm going to char all the vegetables and make sure that I get my sauces right so the flavors are still there. So I'm going to be using carrots today. They add a nice fiber-packed addition to any dish. They contain beta-carotenes, there's a lot of fiber in there, lots of nutrients and minerals.
I'm using shirataki noodles. They are low in carbs and calories. Also pumping it out full of vegetables with the charred cabbage, with the bean sprouts, as well as the green dragon chives. So what I'm trying to do is pack as much flavor in there with ingredients that have a lot of flavor. The characteristics of garlic is that it's a little bit of spice and it's quite pungent. However, it mellows out when you cook it.
Shen, Shen.
Yes.
All the colors, so pale, 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 pale green, pale green. Green and orange and green and red. I have like far more colors than you.
So you're like a rainbow unicorn?
I am like a... I am... Right, so another ingredient I love to use, edamame. It's a different type of soybean, full of flavor, full of bite and texture. Prawns. What I'm gonna do is butterfly them to the back. Get it into thinner portions so you can cook it faster on the high heat so you don't overcook the outside before the inside is done.
You want me to peel the prawns for you?
No.
Hurry up lah, I want
You
to
go
cook.
and cook lah. You're gonna hurry me up.
Oh, yeah, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna stop without you. You're just taking too long. So what I'm gonna do is now cook off the various elements on Char Kway Teow and at the end put it all together and give it a good fry. What a lot of people don't know shirataki noodles is that it's mainly made out of water. What I'm doing right now is actually fry them off so that the water is cooked off. And so you get that lovely texture of regular noodles. There's not gonna be any oil in there. It's just really, really high heat.
So I've got all my ingredients together already. I'm waiting for Shen to clear her royal behind out of the space so that I can start to cook.
That
But
space
before
here,
that,
don't blame me
What-
for your
what-
tardiness.
I feel like I'm constantly being scolded like a little school kid, next to her.
Now what I'm gonna do is pan fry tempeh that I've cut. I love tempeh because it's got these beautiful, complex, nutty flavors. It's something that I love to put in my dishes when I can.
Well, that is a little bit curdy, yeah? Kind of like baby's milk.
Oh man. Smell like Char Kway Teow here. And some fried shallots for extra crunch. Oh man, I'm so proud of this dish.
So I've got my egg here. So in order not to brown the egg or get anything that's disturbed on the surface of the yolk, I'm gonna have to keep feathering the flame up and down. Cook for me, cook for me.
Ming,
Yeah.
finish in this millennia maybe?
This millennia, not enough time for my fine dining dish.
Everybody's gone to bed, waiting for you.
Goodbye, baby, on the treetop.
So I'm gonna be plating this to showcase all the colors of all the different components that we fried off. The yolk broke thanks to you. Actually, what you didn't see on camera, she came over and she...
Are you done?
Almost there, almost there.
Still?
No. All right,
Okay,
I'm
all right,
done,
let's
I'm done.
go. It's been 25 hours already.
The moment is here. We have our two dishes ready for judgment. The winner gets the golden spoon.
I'm so gonna win.
First, tell us a bit about your dishes.
It looks like Char Kway Teow, it tastes like Char Kway Teow. I mix it up by putting some tempeh in instead of crispy pork lard. It's complex in flavor, and it is going to win.
A lot of overcompensation there, yeah.
Shall we dig in?
Good.
All right, please.
I can actually taste the original flavors on the Char Kway Teow itself.
Thank you.
The combinations of the whole dish is match up very well. But just miss out one thing.
What is that?
Cockles.
Cockles! All right, Ming, tell us about your dish.
You know, people eat with your eyes. I retained the essence of Char Kway Teow. I used my whole grain kway teow noodles at the bottom and used a roasted sesame dressing together with dark soy sauce. This dish contains a whole lot of fiber as well as protein.
So how will I eat that?
Try all the components individually and then mix everything up together.
Should we try with some lamb?
Yes. What did you think of it without the lime?
A bit bland, more towards vegetarian dish.
Consider all. Okay, let's.
So now we should
Everything
actually
together,
mix
yes.
everything up and get the different taste. It actually tastes better with the lime. Previously, I just tried on the noodles, so it tastes a bit bland.
It's time for the final call. Are you ready?
I am.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Ready for the spoon? Yes.
Okay. All right. Announcing the winner. Remember, the winner gets the golden spoon.
Yep.
All right, Thomas, we're gonna count down in 3, 2, 1. The winner is...
Can we have 2 spoons?
The winning dish is...
Go!
Chef Shen. Yes, Chef Shen is the winner.
I knew it. I knew I was gonna win. You know, there are days when you wake up, you smell the air. I did not doubt
so
myself at
smart.
all.
That enough already,
I'm not
right?
smart.
You won,
I'm
now you're
victorious.
rubbing it in.
Yo. Sometimes I have to question my ability. Is it really worth pursuing a career with no stability? 1 minute you're here, next minute you're gone. It's like you just disappear when they finish playing your song.